Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you new code in Grow a Garden 2 of Roblox. Okay, finally guys, Grow a Garden 2 game has been released in Roblox and this is how it looks like. Basically, it's same with Grow a Garden 1, but there are some improvements and I'm going to show you guys a code that you can redeem in this game. You can click on this setting icon and you can redeem the code here, and the code is team green bean. Okay, just type in team green bean like this, and then you will get free seats. All right, this is the code and I'm going to claim it. Oh, I've already redeemed the code. Okay, sorry guys, I've already claimed it, and these are what we got. Green bean seed. So we got 3 green bean seeds. Oh my god, it's so precious. Okay, done. Okay guys, and that's the code that you can redeem and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.